Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in beginner lesson number 5, we are going to learn how to make some double crochets. So first we're going to start with our slip knot and our base chain. And again, if you don't know how to do this, I will post a iCard link in the right hand corner of the video to show you how to do this. With double crochets, you want to start on the 4th chain from the hook. So what this means is we're going to skip 1, 2, and 3 of our chains and start in the 4th one. This is because these 3 chains are going to equal the height of a double crochet when you make one, so that the row that you make is all uniform in height. So what we're going to do is yarn over, and then we're going to go into that 4th chain from the hook, just like this. Then we're going to take our hook, yarn over, which means we're just going to go behind that working yarn. We're going to hook it up and pull up a loop, just like so, and we're going to have 3 loops on our hook. So now we're going to yarn over, so we're going to loop that working yarn around our hook. We're going to take that and pull that through these first 2 loops. So now we have 2 loops on our hook. So again, we're going to yarn over, and we're going to pull that through the last 2 loops. Here we have our first double crochet now. This is our chain 3 that we skipped, and this is our first double crochet. So now we're going to go into the next stitch and work another double crochet. We're going to yarn over and insert into the stitch, yarn over, pull that through. So we have those 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through those 2. Now we have 2 loops on our hook, so we're going to yarn over and pull through 2. Now you're just going to continue to do this through the entirety of your chain, and I will show you how to start your next row. So here we are now with our completed first row of double crochets, and now what we're going to do to start our next row is chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And again, we do that because this chain 3 is going to equal the height of a double crochet, as you can see here. That way our row stays the same uniform height all throughout. If you were to chain just 1 and do a double crochet, it would look pretty wonky and uneven. Now again, since chain 3 is the height of a double crochet, this actually counts as your first double crochet in the row, which means instead of going into this last stitch of the first row, which would be right here where you see that V formation, instead of doing that, we already have a double crochet, technically being this chain 3. So we're going to go into the next stitch, which is this one, with a double crochet. Again, you can see that by these V's at the top, and these are the tops of our double crochet stitches from our first round. So again, we're going to skip that first one, and we're going to go into our second one. We're going to yarn over, insert into that double crochet, yarn over, pull through. So we have our 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2, 2 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2, and we just keep going until the end of our row. So there we are with our second row of double crochets. Again, you just continue doing this and repeating this for the entirety of your pattern, and that is how you work double crochets. If you want to see how to make half double crochets, go ahead and check out the next video, and I will catch you guys there. Bye for now.